Welcome to this guide on Intune Enrollment for your Windows devices. This process is crucial for securing and managing your work devices. Intune Enrollment brings your Windows device under your organization's management, ensuring compliance and access to necessary resources. Before starting, ensure your device runs Windows 10 or 11, you have your work or school account details ready, and a stable internet connection. There are primarily two ways to enroll a Windows device: through the company portal app or during the out-of-box experience, known as Azure AD Join. The company portal method is common for personal or existing devices, allowing enrollment via an app downloaded from the Microsoft Store. Azure AD Join is ideal for new devices, integrating enrollment during the initial setup process, directly linking the device to your organization's directory. Let's walk through the steps for enrolling your device using the company portal application. First, open the Microsoft Store on your Windows device and search for the company portal app. Then download and install it. Once installed, launch the app and sign in using your corporate or school email address and password. The app will guide you through a series of steps to register and set up your device for management. Follow these prompts carefully. Now, let's look at the steps for enrolling during the initial device setup, using the Azure AD Join method. During the Windows out-of-box experience, when prompted, select Setup for a work or school account. Enter your work or school credentials. This will automatically join the device to Azure AD and initiate Intune Enrollment. Continue to follow the remaining setup instructions to finalize the device configuration and complete the process. After enrollment, it's important to verify that your device has been successfully registered and is communicating with Intune. You or your IT administrator can check the Intune Admin Center to confirm the device status and verify it is compliant with organizational policies. If you encounter issues, check your network connection, verify your credentials, and ensure your Windows version is supported. Contact your IT help desk if problems persist. Congratulations! Your Windows device is now successfully enrolled in Intune. This secures your access to organizational resources.